Puntoart has made embroidery and decoration the focus of ongoing research on aesthetics. A keen eye on the ultimate innovative trends in terms of style has made it a company that has the capacity to interact with the most prestigious international and made in Italy fashion brands. Puntoart is a small company engaged in an internal logistic efficiency roadmap, and in L4MS it immediately saw an opportunity to accelerate this path. Eutronica, an innovative startup, developed the AGV Jobot, the Enrico Piaggio Research Center of the University of Pisa, and Eureka System, as a system integrator, participate in the OJS consortium.
The main challenge in Puntoart was to improve the handling of products between the lower and upper floors, connected each other through an elevator. In the application experiment, the 3D simulation developed for the integration of an AGV in the company allowed the analysis of movements in the environment in which it would have been installed. With the use of these tools, it was possible to define the position of the checkpoints, the charging bays, and the idle zones. For the experiment, a Jobot was used, a low-cost network-guided AGV developed by by.eutronica. In visual component has been assigned parameters that can simulate the real behavior of the AGV. In this way, it was possible to simulate a real situation and carried out analysis such as time and distance traveled. Opil was also used for the simulation of the AGV in the virtual environment of visual components.
The biggest learning lessons during the application experiment was that also in a SME it is possible to implement effective logistic automation solutions with low costs. Before L4MS, we had not yet planned to introduce an automation solution in the company, such as one actually implemented through the application experiment and then acquired permanently.
The application experiment has determined for OJS partners a rethinking of the future product development strategy by introducing a greater orientation toward interoperability and opening, in particular for Eutronica, new interesting market scenarios. We used Opil in our application experiments, integrating our AGV with the Opil Run modules, and we performed many missions using the Opil Task Planner, giving different goals through the Opil HMI. We learned that robotic software standardization is the way to fasten the development of products like Jobot. Thus, it is fundamental to have access and support initiatives like L4MS that work for enhance the world of open standardized software applied to robotics. We think that when Opil and in general fireware components will be more market ready, this will guarantee faster integration between different components and highly customizable solutions, leveraging on a wide software and hardware set of tools, leading to many commercial opportunities. In general, the overall experience with L4MS was extremely positive, thanks to the fact that among the partners of L4MS, there are very qualified and skills available to provide their support so that the application experiment could achieve its goals in the best way. Particularly, we were able to appreciate the timely, competent and professional collaboration of EIR and CIR Polytechnic of Milan, the Italian L4MS representatives.
After L4MS, Puntoart intends to make the test solution permanent by acquiring it definitively, making it more and more integrated in company processes, also thanks to a progressive adaptation of the behaviors and activities carried out by the workers, and in perspective, extending the solution also in a new plant. In fact, 2020 is proving to be a year heavily influenced by COVID-19. With respect to this emergency, Puntoart made the decision to invest in a new mass production line, in a new factory near to the historic one. Logistic automation solutions tested thanks to L4MS can also be used in this plant in the future.